Are you curious about getting your real estate license? Or maybe you already have one, but you aren't performing at the level you'd like to be performing at? I'm Carter Andrues, a platinum luxury agent with Whissel Realty Group. And today I'm gonna give you 3 ways that you can boost your business in real estate. And then, in full transparency, I'm gonna share my 2021 numbers so far with you so that you can hold me accountable too. It is imperative in this competitive business that you join the right team. A solid team should have ongoing education, well-built systems, and support staff such as listing managers and transaction coordinators. But most importantly, your team should provide immediate lead flow so that you can get your book of business built from day one. At Whissel Realty Group, we have all of that. We have weekly education and we provide lead flow from day one so that you can get moving. But best of all, we have a 24/7 agent concierge so that when you're driving or you're on an appointment, they can take notes for you. Having a mentor is the difference between $100,000 a year and $500,000 a year in gross commission. It is a no-brainer, and even the seasoned pros are seeking out coaching every day. I have a mentor too. But having a mentor that's on the same team as you is imperative because there's full transparency and full accountability between everyone. Personality is important, but this is a numbers game. If you are consistently prospecting and building the amount of contacts you have, you're gonna do well. Don't try to find a magic bullet. This is simply putting in the work, sitting down every day, making your calls, and getting out in the field. And now, as promised, I'm gonna share my 2021 numbers with you. I've been on the Whissel team for less than 1 year. I've done 13 transactions so far, and I've made over 180K in GCI. If you're looking for mentorship, daily education, and a team that can provide you with that kind of lifestyle and that kind of income, give me a call, Carter Andrues at 760-452-8404.